Hello everybody and welcome to a game I found. Hello everybody, welcome to a game called something. I forgot the name of it. Wait, hold on. Welcome to a game called Lost Adrift. That took too long to figure out. Anyway, I guess I should start with the tutorial first. There it is. Okay. What's going on? Did my computer break? No, it's just Lost Adrift. Hunger, health, thirst, wood, and a boat. I'm feeling that I'm gonna need... Oh! I'm feeling this is how it works. Build. So I think these are all the tools I need for this. Yes. Do I just do this? I click. Oh, look, it worked. Or at least I thought it did. What is this big... There's an anchor. Why is there an anchor? Get rid of the anchor. Do I need this? Do I just build it here? No, I don't, I'm just gonna go swim over here. I'm guessing I'm just supposed to go over to that island. Is this the whole game? You know, this is just the tutorial. Unanchor ship. Oh, yes. I'm just gonna return to the game and hopefully I figure it out. Oh, man. Lost Adrift. Not a good start. But it should turn around. Loading. I think this might be a pretty big game. Unanchor ship. Well, this is my ship so far. I guess I should just start sailing. You know, this sail right here looks kind of worn. Doesn't look like we should be sailing right now, but we are. I want to go get that. No, the other way. No. Alright, I'll swim. Swim! Swim! Open! Yes! Sing! 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 I didn't get that last thing. Yes, okay, I got all the stuff. And now I need to run. What is this? Hey, look! I got a blueprint. Look! Wait, how do I get wood? Probably should have paid more attention. Suppose I should start with the island over there. These does look like big trees. You know, get wood from trees. It's basic survival skills. And you can make paper from wood. Oh, it's how you survive. When I send a letter in a bottle, send it adrift, get everything you need. Someone's gonna come by and rescue you. Anyway, why am I on a raft in the middle of the ocean in the first place? Why am I on some sort of floaty thing? I'm on yeah, that's one called. This is SS floaty thing. That is what it's the official name. SS floaty thing. So I'm guessing I just need to break it with the rock. Smash! Rock. Rock! This isn't working. Oh, another one of these things. Open. Wood! 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 Give it to me! No, give it to me. Now what's going on? I need this. Put it in here. One. Split. Okay, now I can do it. No. Wood. No. What do I do? Do I like smash with the rock? I need to smash things. There's a watermelon on the ground. Do I do something with that? What do I do? Oh wait, no. Oh, it was my own inventory. That makes sense. I looking at the wrong thing there. F is for E is for inventory. F is for opening things up. I thought the game was broken for a second. Store stuff. Okay. What's in here? It looks like a watermelon. We got food and water. Open up. Stuff. More stuff. What? How did all this get on an island in the first place? It's a rubber ducky! My life is complete now. Palatable crafting ingredient. I hope it doesn't sell meltable crafting ingredient because I don't want to melt a poor duck. Stuff. Gasoline. If we ever needed it, we could use some gasoline. There, we could fight off a shark here. A few turtles. Use some gasoline. What's this? It looks like an eyeball plant. Grabbed it anyway. Why is there a burger on the beach? But did I run out of inventory space? I think I did. Alright. H. Build things? Other. Level 1 tool table. Oil? No. Survival? Weapons? Electricity? Tools? Chip. It looks like I get a lot of stuff in this game. I just gotta hope I don't starve. I already ran out of inventory space. Barely have anything. My Alexa's going off. Alexa, stop! There we go, I fixed it. Clothes? And flooring? Build a floor, I can't. Why is everything so expensive? I'm gonna go over to a different island instead. Why can't I just live on the island? Looks like a nice place to live. Turn around. You know, accidentally did the wrong thing for my last episode. Yeah, I accidentally made 2 second episodes. So I guess it's part 1 and part 2. If you watched it. You're probably thinking that that's kind of weird. There's 2 second episodes. But, man, this will make sense of that. And island. Tower. Trees. Other things are here too. I'm getting off of this stinking raft. Look at that. There's Fort Knox over there. It's way better. Fort Knox. Look at all this stuff here. There's that weird thing over there. I'm gonna go to that next. But Fort Knox. Look, it looks like someone's in here. Hello. Hi. Can you let me in? Hey, can you let me in? Hey. No! Help. I'm dying. Let me up. Ah! Just let me on the ship. I'm making a YouTube video. Let me up. Let me up. Let me up. Help. I need help. Ah. So let me up. Wait, first, yeah, anchor my ship. Let me up, please. No, wait, no. It's going away. On anchor. No, it's leaving. Yes. Catch up to him. Gotta turn. I need to go get into his raft thing. But he's out of the way in. Yeah! Okay. I can make it up. No, I can't. I'll hit a wall soon. There's gotta be some way up. Gotta be something I could do. Let me up. Hey you, let me up. Hey. Hey, let me in. Let me into the ship. How do I get up? I need help. Let me up. Let me up. Yes. No, let me in. No. No. Okay. Closer. I need to get closer. Let me in. I wish I had more wood. You don't have an entrance to your boat? I mean, really? Wait. Entrance. No, he closed it. I need to get back. Boat! No! Wrong way! Why? I'm ditching this boat. I'm going over here. Hopefully I could join his crew. Hey! I'm drowning. Let me in. Hey, wait. No, help me. I'm drowning. I'm pretty sure that's what that blue bar is. Drowning. Help. Open the door. I feel like a vampire right now. Now vampires can't come into your house unless you invite them in. Oh no, I'm no vampire. Trust me. I'm just lonely. Help. Hey. 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 Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. I'm starving out here. They got food? Yes, I do. Nom. They got water? Yes, I do. Drink. Ah, hey, let me up, let me up, let me up. Open up the door. Open up the door, please. Please. No. No. Let me in. Open it up. Help. I need you to open the door. Hey, let me in. Let me in. Open up the door. Wait, no. Open the door. Open up the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Please, open it. I'm not asking you to. I'm not asking you to do anything big, just open the door. Open the door. Hey, no, wait! No! I guess I'll have to go to my old sticky raft again. How'd that guy even get enough wood to build that? I guess I should go over to that place instead then. The tower. We gotta unanchor the ship. Or just go back over to this island, I don't care. I need a chest or something. Something. This chest. This crate is too expensive. I can't even store my stuff. Maybe I don't have enough wood. Can I make a pickaxe or something? A steel. You don't get enough wood from this. There's no getting a tree because they don't actually exist. At least I don't think so. Wait, I see an effect. I'm cutting down a tree. Okay, this is taking forever. Okay, it's working, I think. How much wood did I get? I got 21 wood! Yeah! Wood! Yeah! Wood! Yeah! Now I can craft a crate. Did I craft it? I think I did. A crate. And then put it somewhere. Put it right. Put it right there. Now I can press this, and I can store a potato in it. Ah, I could finally move my stuff over. Ah. Moving this. This. Not this. Whew, it's all going to plan. Gotta put the rock right there. Can't equip the ducky, but that's okay. Floor again. I mean the ocean floor. Now I gotta start building up my ship. Gotta mount enough trees. Build my ship like that, like Fort Knox over there. I don't know why he wouldn't let me in though. But no matter. I'm going to cut down this tree, and then I'm gonna go blow up his raft over there. There's a revenge. Nobody ever denies entrance on their ship and gets away with it. Wahoo hee ha ha ha. And trust me when I say that's not the best evil laugh I could do. I'm just saving your ears. I'm protecting them from my goblin screams of shrieks of laughter. I'm no noob at evil laughing. That's for sure. Now I'm gonna build a window. Right here. Window. Yes! Window. This is the perfect raft right here. I could go. It's like a portrait.
Oh, okay. Well,
It's a portrait of me. I take a screenshot so I could use that as the thumbnail for this video. Portrait. I made a portrait. The Mona Lisa, but better. Okay, in here, grab that. Now I give it to me. Yes, what did I get? Stuff. Open. Collect. Ducks! Those other weird things. The only thing that matters to me is ducks. Ducks roll over us mortal humans. Even though we don't know it. Alright, I think I just got a gear or something. Spring, I mean. In here. You know, why don't I just live here? With all the stuff I could ever need. Open. This. Now those are some gears. Looks like beans. I could survive a few days up here. Okay, back to the window raft. thinking. You know, I'm thinking about making it 2 floors like that other guy had. Yeah, I don't want to make another Fort Knox here. Steel door? Why would anybody need a steel door? Apart from to keep me out. Close. Oh, here more walls are needed. Unanchor ship and away! Looks a little odd now. Might need to create another one of these soon. Up to this thing. Away! Away! I'll just do this. Hey, maybe I should like make a room to make the... I'm gonna make this like my cruise ship. I'm gonna make this so big it's like my cruise ship. Okay. Okay, anchor. And perfect landing. I wish I could have gotten closer, but it's good enough. Okay. Time to look inside of this tower. See what's in here. Up higher. You know, I thought monsters would spawn in the night, but I guess I was wrong. Okay. Into the tower thing. On top of the, like the lollipop head on the tower. It's that sort of thing. Wait, do I need something special to open that? I think I do. Okay. Up to the top! To the top! Yeah. This looks like a special crate to me. Well, it's a very special crate, at least of what I know of. It might be like super rare and stuff. The tin foil I keep getting. What's this down here? It looks like a fish from far away, but it's not. Okay, back to the cruise ship. Let's continue my journey through this tower thing. Finish my journey through the tower thing. Now to move on. Having ideas of what to do. I'm thinking. I'm really thinking. I'm thinking. What I think is thought. And when I think it, I think that you think that I thought that you were thinking. I just had a thought. Is that like, is that the Titanic? Looks like the Titanic, doesn't it? It probably is the Titanic. My measly... Maybe I won't have to build my big giant cruise ship I was planning to after all. Someone did it for me. Well, the only bad thing is I'm not going to hijack their ship, so it's not going to be mine technically. But still, look at it. I'm almost there. Yeah, that's definitely the Titanic over there. And I hope someone built that. Because if they didn't, I don't know where that came from. I like knowing where things came from. Wait, do I get my wood back? Okay, now can I build stairs? No, I cannot. Can I put it back? But I got rid of it? Well, I just hope I can get up there with what I have now. How do I get up on top of the ship? Uh, um, I suppose I can do this. Yes, this is how I'm gonna do it. Up on top of here. I can jump onto it now and leave this thing to the waves and see what they do with it. Yes, I think I can jump up. It might be someone's ship too. Not made out of wood though. Wait, can I make like steel stuff? Can people make it? Alright, almost there. Really close. And almost there. There's a ladder. I need to go get that. What is this? It's a backpack. Give it to me. I think that might have been someone's remains. And that's fine. Someone probably drowned. Okay, up to the top. Into the ship. And up. Up and... Looks like there's a lot of dead bodies around. Did they drop any stuff? It doesn't look like that person did. There's a random box here though. My boat picked that up. Is this like some sort of cursed ship with the dead bodies everywhere? Or look open. It doesn't matter if it's cursed. I'm like Indiana Jones, still taking the goods. Nah, need something to open that. Nothing. Okay. In the machine. And why aren't you letting me in? Let me in. No. You have to let me in. It's a law. I guess I could just live here for a while. Alright, it's perfectly fine. I got one room. Fine. You just go to the bathroom, right into the sea. I've got my own bathroom. It's like a one-room hotel. Except that it's luxurious. I suppose I could make something out of it. I craft like this. I craft it. So you know, I think this is a good time to end this episode right here. On the Titanic in my new one-room apartment. I hope you like this video, and see you tomorrow. See you in the next video.